Hi, my name's Margaret and I teach the Peats from Bread Making course. I've been teaching for many, many years in East Sussex, and when I retired, East Sussex College asked me if I would do some teaching for them in the daytime, which is working with the community. And one of the partnerships that we work with is this one. And so that's how I got into it. I teach several different courses. I try and invent courses or design courses according to the trends. For instance, when the cost of living was going up, I introduced one that was using things like air fryers and pressure cookers, and I have another course coming up soon. I teach sugarcraft. I teach one-pot cooking, around the world, all sorts of various courses as the people want it. Very important that they understand principles of yeast cookery and a little bit of the science behind it, so they learn how yeast works, what conditions it actually needs to get a good result, and how you can vary the dough. So we do a variety of different things. We start off with basic bread rolls, which according to the ability of the group, which I assess, they either make round rolls or they can make them into shapes. We follow it with the focaccia, which we've been doing recently, so that we introduce different cultures coming in. And then we finish this particular course with a pizza. We supply the different ingredients, but they can bring additional ones. We talk about how you can vary the pizza dough, including making sweet doughs. If it's a 4-week course, I then usually do something that is quite on trend or seasonal. Recently, when I did one at Easter time, we included hot cross buns, and at Christmas it was a Christmas bread wreath. I love cooking, I love food, but the main thing that I find is I love teaching people a new skill, and they gain confidence. They say, I'll never be able to do that, but in fact they do. And time after time I get satisfaction because they come out with some wonderful results. I also enjoy the friendship and the social side. I meet a lot of new people who I've never met before, and they also meet other friends, and it's a nice thing for them to come out and have a social occasion as well as cooking something.
I'm Michael.
Hi, I'm Debbie.
And we've both been on the bread and pizza making course.
I used to have a bread maker, but having to make it from scratch is quite a long, cumbersome job. But with Margaret, she's actually shown us quite a few tips to make things a bit easier and a bit quicker.
Yeah, I would recommend it.
It's just been a nice refresher. I've never made this one, but there's a first time for everything. I'd recommend any of the courses. They're very informative, they're very friendly, and you feel at ease and comfort.